Hello, my name is FMS2 Jason Habu. I would like to recognize FEO Donnie Alva, whose actions were vital in protecting the life of a female assault victim. This incident occurred in the District of Kau in the Hawaiian Ocean View Estates subdivision on August 8, 2014. FEO Alva, who was assigned to the Captain Cook station, was on his way to the HOV fire station to relieve the current FEO. While driving to the station, FEO Alva was flagged down by a man on the street stating he needed help. FEO Alva was then told that a male was trying to kill a female. FEO Alva then saw the female lying on the roadway. The male had a large lava rock in his hand. Another male party on scene was able to distract the assailant momentarily. FEO Alva then tackled the male assailant and restrained him. In my estimation, FEO Alva was restraining the violent male for about 15 minutes prior to any help arriving. I feel that if it were not for the heroic actions of FEO Alva, the female would have been killed. FEO Alva risked his own life and serious bodily injury to help the female patient. It was later learned that the female had lost a critical amount of blood volume due to her head injury. If it were not for FEO Alva, the male would have continued to hit the female patient in the head with the lava rock. Per other bystanders, the male party intended to kill the female. FEO Alva was a single factor that stopped the active assault. Although this incident is not the typical award given by the Sayer Foundation, I feel that FEO Alva's actions qualify as an exceptional rescue. FEO Alva was off duty at that time and risked his personal safety to help the patient. FEO Alva's actions were heroic. I am sure that every male out there thinks that he would have helped in the same capacity as Donnie did. But as evidenced by the other male parties who did nothing, thinking and doing are two different things. The assailant was a large male, which is why I'm sure no one else intervened earlier. He stepped up to the plate and stopped this assault. I feel that Donnie's actions show he is more than deserving of this award.
Donnie is very dependable, and I know if I ask him to do something that he'll get it done. He's thorough. Yeah, he's a dependable guy. Like I said, as long as whatever he's tasked to do at the time, I'm confident that he'll get it done. I guess from my perspective, I was amazed. But then, knowing Donnie, there's definitely something that he would do. He always fights for the underdog. He doesn't like bullying, and he doesn't like injustice. He's, believe it or not, quiet, soft-spoken guy. When I heard that, I was fortunate for that girl that it was him that stopped. It's in his nature to do for others. I think him and his wife, I don't know, for the past 13 years, they've been coaching high school basketball. And they also developed kind of like a feeder program, their own basketball club. They take them to the mainland and take them to different tournaments all over. From what I hear from him, it takes up a lot of his time, a lot of their time. But he's not complaining about it. He just does it because that's his passion. And I guess just helping kids out, or helping people is what comes naturally to him. He does contribute, especially for the kids. And again, kids are the underdog because they're young. But he feels that if he has a chance to teach them something, give them a better chance, feel better about themselves, and maybe that's why he does it. I know it takes a lot of their time and a lot of his time, but he does it and doesn't complain.